dark skin rendering tutorial that no one asked for. These are my steps on the side for my process. Let's begin. On the top here, I have 4 colors. This is my base color. This color is directly underneath in the color wheel of my base color. This one is more diagonal. This one is more to the right, and this one is on the same plane but all the way up for highlights. So I'm going to take the darkest color that is here, and we're going to apply shadows to the face where shadows would normally be. So we have it hairline, ears, neck, and underneath the sleeve.
Add mid-tone color on nose, top of lips, and side of the face.
Next, I'm going to blend all of this out. Then we take a darker color to define the bridge of the nose as well as the corner of the nose, and then we'll blend all of this out. We're going to apply that same darker color with a smaller brush size right under the eyes and over the eyes with the eye crease. Then with an even more darker color, we're going to even more define that bridge of the nose. Next, taking our lightest color, we're going to apply it to the nose, the chin, you could do the cheeks, and the forehead as well. And with these spots that we left, we're going to be applying highlights there as well. Lastly, for added depth, I'm taking a grayish blue color with the opacity low, and then in the corner of the eye, very lightly, I'm just adding blue. And then lightly with the bridge of the nose, I'm adding blue again. Then I continue blending and adding more color as I go. Lastly, with a red, I lightly put it on the cheeks and then I blend it out. And after we render the lips, this is how the final product came out. I'm still learning and practicing how to render, but I wanted to show you guys how I render in the moment. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want, I can definitely do a lip render tutorial. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.